Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Ring Doorbell. First, ensure your Ring Doorbell's battery is fully charged, which typically takes several hours. Next, download the Ring app from your App Store and create a new account or login. Once logged in, select Set up a device and follow the in-app instructions to connect your doorbell to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth installation process. Now, let's talk about mounting your Ring Doorbell. Select a spot about 1.2 meters, or 4 feet, off the ground for optimal viewing. Use the included mounting bracket as a template, drill pilot holes, and secure it with the provided screws. If you're wiring it, connect the existing doorbell wires to the terminals on the back of your Ring Doorbell. This ensures continuous power and chime functionality. With your doorbell physically installed, it's time to customize its settings within the Ring app. You can define specific motion zones to reduce false alerts, focusing on areas like your walkway and avoiding busy streets. Adjust the motion sensitivity to your preference. Also, set up your notification preferences so you receive timely alerts on your phone. You can even link it with other compatible smart home devices for enhanced security. Finally, let's test everything to ensure optimal performance. Use the live view feature in the app to check your camera's perspective and clarity. Test the two-way talk by speaking into your phone and listening through the doorbell. Walk past your doorbell to confirm motion detection triggers notifications. If you encounter any issues, like poor Wi-Fi or power problems, the app often provides helpful troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.